response, and yeah, exhausted. I mean, 3 videos today or four. Let me see how many videos have I posted today. One, two, three. Yeah, 3 videos. Today is second. Yeah. So this is gonna be the last one. That makes it four. Yeah. So I posted that like hours ago. So it's been 16 hours since I last posted. Wow. So I'm gonna set this back to 10 minutes. Let me change the color a bit. I don't know, but yeah. So let's dive right back in. So we bring in our comment API, right? Ah, I feel very tired. I don't know why, but I feel very tired. But we still got to do it, right? We still got to hustle. So we bring in what a comment API. Jesus Christ, not easy to be a developer. And now we create a method that actually, I mean, creates the API, right? So I'm exhausted. So comment service API comments. So we're going to create a method and we name it post comments. Post comments, and then bring in a comment service dot. This will just pick. You know what? Let me save it, and now let me post comment service dot add comment. How did we save it? Where's our comments? So add comments. Ouch. Add comments, and then this is a response. So we get a then, and it takes. We're gonna accept the response. And what do we do with the response now? Sorry, oh God, this is add comment, so it's not supposed to be. All right, we will still get a response, but then we need to send in the form that we are actually sending. I mean, this is not what we should be doing at first. What we should be doing is we should get the post comment. Does this post have a comment? So when we look at the API, I think I'm exhausted. That's why my mind is not thinking straight. So when you look at the API, when you fetch a single post ID 1, you can see it. When you send it, we have a comments array, right? So whether so what our code should be doing is that anytime we fetch a single comment, we should find out if this comment array is empty or not. If it's empty, then don't do anything. Just show maybe no comment, add a comment, and if there are comments, just display the comment like it's being displayed here, right? So if it's empty, probably show something else, and then zero should be here, zero comment, right? So that's what we should actually tackle first before actually posting the comment. So blah 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 blah. So we're getting a comment service, right? So we still have a comment service. So we just say comment service, ouch, and then we go in here. I think we have to first of all check if we have let's check if the post has comment. So everything goes into this the post. So the post is actually inside this object here. This is the post, right? So we can create what we call computated properties. So to check if the post has a comment or not. So we can say computated, and it's just like that. And then what we can do is that now in here we need to create a function that what do you call it? Let me check what I did. Yeah, I think I was pretty new to coding, so I'm going to change this. So this is what I did in the actual application. So I did check comment function, and it's going to check if it's going to assign the C is going to assign to this the post or comment, which is this. So the post is this object, and then the comment is this. So first of all, it checks if it's an array, and then if the array has a length. So if it has a length, it returns true, right? If not, it's false, right? So this not a length just means that the length is, it has a length of greater than 0, is going to return. So I mean, this actually is good, but we can also just say um, return if c dot length is greater than 0, right? This will probably give us the same result. So if you comment this out, and then we take this check comment, and then when it's, let's probably say, and we get a response, ouch, we should run this dot, this is the check comment, right? Do I have access to this here? Okay, all right, so this is just return. You know what, just console the log. I think I'm wasting too much time here. Am I? No errors. I'm wasting too much time. So we expect. So I'm just going straight to the point. Oh, battery is low. Oh. Come. Okay. Everything works. Blah, 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 blah. What's all these errors? Please. What is this now? Where is this? Where is all these zeros coming from? Alright, so probably just I want to test the response here. So so can I, okay, let's assume, let's just try this out first and see if it works. So but the name is doesn't um comment, let me just say comment empty. The name is not suitable, comments empty. So we just say check comment, right? So let's go to the code. I have 3 minutes left. Oh my god, I wish I could restart this video. And yes, I'm going to restart this video and do it again. My head aches. Oh.